the balcony window. It's a skylight that becomes a balcony window. It's something you need different. You won't find anywhere in the nation in the showroom. The way you see it right now, it's open, so it's a balcony window, but it's actually a skylight. So what you do, you have the security buttons here. You close one section, you close the other section, and it just becomes the biggest skylight you can get. 100 inches in length, 37 in width. In Europe, actually, they call them roof windows, although this is still a balcony window. The roof windows are installed on attics.
Right.
In Europe, a lot of people are using attic as a living space. So as you know, by nature, all of the heat, all of the cooking, right, everything goes up. So what it does, it stays in the attic. So what it is, it's in Europe, very popular are pivot windows. This is actually also a pivot window. So what it does, you can have it pivot, so it's ventilation. Not only that, you can actually flip it all away and use it as a maintenance to clean the glass. Otherwise, just leave it like this for ventilation purposes if it's on the attic, or just keep it closed or open, just like this. It becomes a balcony. Secured, comes with the railing. Very important, the railing is hidden inside. This is only suitable for pitches between 35 to 55 degrees. So before any project manager works on to installing this, you have to keep this in mind way ahead of the time to make the roof pitch suitable for that particular unit. The reason is to make sure that this lines up straight. The cool feature about this ladder is that the way it operates, right, you secure it. It's safe. You close the lid, that's all it takes. It comes with white trim. It comes with paintable white door, or actually it's already painted. It comes with the installation brackets. This is a cool feature that actually was not shown in the video, that how easy it is to open.
So the stick comes with it too?
Yeah, this is aluminum control rod that actually comes with the unit. The control rod, that's what we call it. The first thing you want to notice, the quality of the door. It's thermal insulated. It actually got 5.2 R value for the people that are into R value. So what it does is actually in home, it keeps your heat inside rather than exiting through the roof.
Yeah.
If you do have a ladder, attic ladder with 1/4-inch plywood, immediately replace it, because you are losing energy. You are losing a lot of energy and automatically money.
Yeah.
What this is, when you open it, still secured. It's not going to come down on you. Even when you remove this is specially designed control rod that there's a ring to open it. Even when you remove from the hooks, you can let it go. This ladder is going to stay in one spot. And then you bring it. This is the best part of the ladder. It's how easy it's to open it. It will adjust itself to the height of the ceiling. 350 pounds capacity, and John, to be honest with you, I didn't share this with you yet, but because of your video, the TikTok video that you had 7.8 million views, we actually saw the comments. A lot of people were saying it's flimsy, it's not good for someone it's 300, you know, for the bigger guys out there. We just got approved for 400 pounds. This will be capacity at 400 pounds.
Go to the buffet. You're good.
I know I'm not 400, but this is how steady it is. It's metal, not plastic. Non-slippery steps. This is very safe. This is the safest attic ladder you guys will find out there. There's no way. And this is available worldwide. You have these rings. There's no handrail because you use the rings to go up and down. A lot of people were saying, well, you cannot fit the tree, the Christmas tree through that, because this is for demo purposes. We actually offer 7 different sizes for this particular unit. The smallest that we offer is 22.5 by 31. The biggest, 30 by 54. You can fit a water heater, especially on the Texas market. They're very popular on the Texas market, how easy it is.
Yeah.
We go to trade show, International Builder Show, International Roofing Expo, all the local shows. Maintenance people actually come to us and say, thank you for this product, because how easy it is to go up and down and carry a water heater, furnace. You can fit it through a 30 by 54.